today we're going to show you how to install Google Chrome on your Ubuntu 2.0.4. Yeah, something like that. 20.04. So you're going to go to your terminal. I already opened my terminal and say clear, then you say sudo apt. It's going to be sudo apt get update. All the time you must update apt-get update. You must get your I forgot, you must update your what, your system before you do anything. So it has to be apt, then enter. So we're updating the system before we proceed. Okay, once the system is done with the updates, then we're gonna proceed installing Google Chrome. Okay, we're waiting for it. Let's be a little bit patient. Yes, it's done. So once it's done, let's go back and say sudo then I wanna enter. Okay, I'm there already. So once I know that I'm sudo, then I'm gonna start running these commands which are put here already. So we're gonna install wget. Okay, we go sudo wget and we install. Okay, we say upgrade newly whatever is there, remove whatever not upgrade. Okay, what it says, wget is already the newest version, so it means we did already have it. But if you don't have it, run that command. So the next step is this, because the reason why we need wget, because we're gonna use it for our task. Then you put that line, you enter. Okay, so the line, what it says, I might put the steps into your, if Google gonna allow me, if YouTube is gonna allow me to put those steps, I might put the steps into the description. Get me? So it's installing. It might take a little bit more time. Let's see. It's on 3%, but we have to be a little bit patient. Then we see what's going on. Let's wait and see. It's doing its job. Then after that, we're gonna be fine. Okay, 7%. You have to be patient. This depends on how fast your internet is. But soon we're gonna be okay. Let me put my software here. Okay. Let me also display the steps here. You can see the step 1, you upgrade. Step 2, you install wget. Step 3, you install this Google Chrome. Step 4, you can see what we do, dbk. You get me? You run this also. Step 5, then that's when you open your Google Chrome. You understand? In terminal. So the steps are here. If you don't want to wait a lot on the video, you can take one step, second step, third step. But make sure you sudo, or you put sudo on each and every command you do. You get me? So that's why the difference is. So but for us who wants to wait for the video to finish and see all steps, then you are welcome to do that, to wait until the video until we finish every step. But if you are in a hurry, you better take the steps I've showed you on the screen. Then you follow those steps, the same steps I'm gonna do here. Good enough, we've done almost more than 50%. We've done 3 of them, so you can use what is left, then you install. we're sitting on 16%. It's always good to watch the video, because sometimes the installer, like when we're doing here, in case you skip the video, is fine. But now once we find a problem, we can be able to fix it in the video, and you never seen that. You get me? So maybe also you can find the same problem, so which could also be a problem to you. So I advise you to watch the video until when we finish. That's why sometimes I don't pause my videos, because in the process I might face a problem which I have to fix, which also one of the person who's watching the video might face it. You get me? That's why I don't want to do what? To stop the video when I'm recording. Like I'm recording now, there's no reason for you to be there. So once I get a problem, then you won't know. So I don't want to pause the video. I want to push until to the end. But as I say, if you don't have time, the steps are on the screen. So we're sitting on 24%, which is not bad. %25 now. %7%, and sometimes it can go like this, but then by the end of the day, then maybe if it reaches somewhere 40, somewhere 50, it can be faster sometimes. Okay, we're getting there. It's a process. Okay, it's getting there, guys. Yes, we're done with that step. Then we're gonna go to this step, this one. You must run it also to get success. So once you do that, you're gonna copy and paste that, and it started on 50, 60, something simple. After that, then we're gonna see that we're gonna start our Google Chrome. So let's give it some time. It's gonna be done soon. Okay, processing. Okay, we're done with that. So now we're gonna paste here and say try to open Chrome, non-supported, HTTP, whatever. So okay, that's fine. So the installation didn't give us a problem. It's here. Chrome is there. So if we start it, it starts 100%. You can see. So by using what we call the thing, you could not get it, but by using just to go to settings and get Chrome, it worked 100%. Now guys, that's the way we install that Chrome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. So we did manage to get Google Chrome, and that's all. So if you want to put it on your favorite, you just do that, and it will come to you here. You can see now it's here. I can open it and use it. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.